Hey guys, my name is Priyanka Patel. I would like to share my beautiful journey at Think Higher Consultants. I have spent around 4.5 years here. It was amazing years and where I learned a lot about my profession as well as personal attributes. One can say that it was my first job in Australia and a stepping stone towards my career. I'm very grateful to Sonia and Anil to provide me such an amazing job opportunity. Their support, motivation and leadership helped me to boost my career and build my skills. Special thanks to my temporary visa team to support me during ups and downs situation. Because of them, we have achieved several milestones together. I'm grateful to entire team of Think Higher. They are not my colleagues but also a part of my family. Thank you so much for having you guys. All the best. We'll keep in touch.